Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you will be safe and sound at your home. This is your geography lesson, and in this lesson, we are going to read about Western Mountains. So, we start our lesson. First of all, we will discuss relief. What is relief of these Western Mountains? Students, the Western Mountains consist of many parallel ranges and are not as high as the Northern Mountains. There are four famous mountain ranges in Western Mountains, and these are Safed Core Ranges up to 4,712 meters, Waziristan Hills up to 3,513 meters, it means 3,513 meters, Suleiman Range up to 3,383 meters, Kirthar Range up to 2,175 meters. So, Kirthar, Safed Core, Waziristan, and Suleiman are the parallel ranges that run from south to north, and the height expands from 2000 meter to 4712 meter south to the north respectively. And there are several valleys and low lying basins including Bannu Valley, Kohat Valley, and the Valley of Peshawar. So there are three famous valleys situated, or you can say located, in these ranges, and they are Bannu Valley, Kohat Valley, and the Valley of Peshawar. The peaks there are not very big in height, as we have already discussed that the peaks are not very high as compared to northern mountains. There are many historic passes including Bulan, Gomal, Khyber, Tochi, and Khurram. So there are famous passes that are located here, and they are Bulan, Gomal, Khyber, Tochi, and Khurram. In the northern mountains, we read about Karakoram Highway and Khunjra Pass as well. There are not many glaciers. This is also the feature of Western mountains, that there are not many glaciers. What is drainage system here? The drainage include Khurram, Hab, Liari, Tochi, Zob, and Gomal. Economy and people of the Western Mountains. The water drains in the western rivers and helps in the cultivation of sugar cane, rice, and wheat. So, the river water is very useful and very helpful for the cultivation of sugar cane, rice, and wheat. So these are the famous crops grown in this mountain range. The passes connect Pakistan to Afghanistan. The Western Mountains are famous for the passes that connect Pakistan to Afghanistan. The passes also connect Karachi to Sibi. And other important pass is also connects Karachi to Sibi. These mountains create a defensive wall between Pakistan and Afghanistan. These mountains create a defensive wall between Pakistan and Afghanistan. So these mountains are located in such a way that it can build a boundary wall between Pakistan and Afghanistan. These mountains are rich in boulders, clay, limestone, ridges, and sandstones. So these are the specialty of these mountain ranges, that they are dry and rich in clay, limestone, and sandstones, etc. These mountains prevent Pakistan from western depressions. So these mountains are very helpful to save Pakistan from western attacks, western depression and opposition as well. So these mountains serve as a boundary wall for Pakistan. There are important military centers, namely Kohat and Banu. So there are very important military centers established here, and these are Kohat and Banu. Now we will learn about these mountain ranges one by one. First of all, Safed Ko ranges. Safed Ko is a mountain range in eastern Afghanistan and expanding to northwestern Pakistan, which covers Khyber Agency and Koram Valley of federally administered tribal areas in Pakistan. Safed Ko means white mountain. It forms a natural frontier between Pakistan and Afghanistan, extended westward 400 miles from the Vale of Peshawar to the Loa Valley, Afghanistan. It lies on the Afghanistan-Pakistan border south of the Kabul River and Khyber Pass. It is a straight and rigid peak towers above all surrounding hills. Suleiman Range. The Suleiman Mountains are located in the northern Balochistan and Zabul province of Afghanistan. It is present at the border of the Indian subcontinent and the Iranian plateau and west of the Indus River. Takhte Suleiman, meaning Suleiman's throne, with a height of 3,487 meter in Balochistan, is the highest peak of Suleiman Mountains. Kirthar Range. Kirthar Mountains are located in Sindh and Balochistan. The range extends southward for nearly 300 kilometers from the Mula River, Balochistan, to Cape Mori, west of Karachi on the Arabian Sea. The maximum altitude of the Kirthar range that is present in Sindh is almost 7,056 feet above sea level, which makes it Sindh's highest peak. This range is present a few miles northwest of the Gorakh Hill Station. Waziristan Hills. The Waziristan Hills are located between the Karam and the Gomar rivers. They lie in a highly mineralized zone. Along with the Safed Ko ranges, these hills form a rampart between Pakistan and Afghanistan. The Banu Valley is located to the east of the Waziristan Hills. An important valley is located in Waziristan Hills, that is Banu Valley. Banu near the Tochi Pass and Dera Ismail Khan near the Gomal Pass are important towns. Two famous towns are located here, Banu and Dera Ismail Khan, and military centers also located here. The Banu Valley is a low-lying basin bordered by hills and mountains and drained by streams. So these ranges are drained by streams with braided channels. The valley has deposits of clay and boulders brought down by streams. The Kuram Dam on the Karam River is the main source of irrigation water. So there is a dam called Karam Dam on the Karam River, and this is the major source of irrigation for the people of this range. So students, this is your lesson for today. I hope you have understood. Take care. Allah Hafiz.